The Java 2 ArkTS Source Code Converter is an innovative technology designed for Java developers to easily migrate existing Java applications to HarmonyOS ArkTS framework while ensuring performance optimization and taking full advantage of the new platform's features. It enables Java developers and HarmonyOS developers to seamlessly integrate Java applications with the ArkTS framework, while enterprise IT decision-makers and technical architects can assess the costs and risks of migration while understanding the impact on system architecture and performance. This technology provides new impetus for the expansion and diversification of the HarmonyOS ecosystem, opening up new areas of development and market opportunities for the people involved. Then we will show a demo video of the Java 2 ArkTS Converter. This Java program manages shared funds with an initial amount of 2,000 by creating a money counter object. At the same time, the program starts 3 threads, each representing 3 different users, who try to continuously deduct a specific amount from the shared funds to purchase goods by calling the synchronized useMoney method. Due to the synchronous nature of useMoney, even in a multi-threaded environment, the deduction operation of funds will maintain thread safety and ensure the correct management of funds. Now we will run the Java code and observe the result to see if the source code is converted correctly against the converted ArkTS code. Next we will go to the tool usage page, where we need to upload the Java code to the source converter. Now, the converter performs the source code conversion operation. In the process of source code conversion, the converter will gradually input the conversion process into the page to help users understand the steps that the current source code converter has performed, and show the source code conversion process ideas. As you can see from the covert annotation, the converter loops through each class code in order to convert the entire Java file. We can see that when the loop analysis is finished, the converter is able to give the complete converted code. Through observation, we can find that the converted code format and the original Java code format is very close. Finally, we can download the file and at the same time download the codebase we have prepared. Next, let's see if the transformed code can be successfully executed in the ArkTS environment with the correct results. We open dev-eco, execute the ArkTS code we generated earlier, and observe the results. After running, we can see that there are no compilation errors in the code generated by the previous conversion. We then looked at the output and found that the functionality of the original Java code was effectively implemented. Now we will present the results of our test data. Among the 53 test samples, 66% of the results passed compilation, and the accuracy rate was 68% in the successfully compiled results. The most common error in compilation is the incorrect use of the ThreadBridge library because large language models struggle with additional requirements. Even though the usage of the function has been described in detail, large models may still use it in the wrong place or pass invalid parameters to it. Adding extra things refers to the fact that during the transformation process, the LLM does not recognize the functions or classes provided in the context and writes new functions and classes on its own, which conflicts with the context. Incorrect initialization refers to the LLM mistakenly calling a construction method. Although we have created a LangChain chain to address this issue, errors may still occur in complex situations. Nearly 2/3 of the runtime errors are due to the LLM mistakenly using functions provided by the ThreadBridge library. Although changing the ThreadBridge library can solve situations of redundant calls, it cannot solve situations of incorrect calls and uncalled ones, and errors still occur at runtime.